Hello friends, let us learn the sense organs. Sense organs are the body parts that help us to know and understand the world around us. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes. You see with your eyes. Look, there is a red apple on the table. How do you know that? Yes, you see it with your eyes. Oh, a scary snake. Did you see that? Yes, your eyes help you to see the things around you. Ears. You hear with your ears. Are you hearing this sound? Yes, your ears help you to hear the sounds around you. You can hear your favorite song, barking of your dog, birds chirping, whisper, and loud noise with the help of your ears. Nose. You smell with your nose. You can smell a flower, perfume, and your favorite food with the help of your nose. Tongue. You taste with your tongue. The chocolates are sweet. The chili is hot. The lemon is sour. How do you know all these things? Yes, your tongue helps you to taste food. Skin. You feel with your skin. The fire is hot. The ice cubes are cold. The teddy is so soft. The stone is hard. How do you know that? Yes, by touching the things. Your skin helps you to feel the things around you. Like your 5 fingers, you have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. You see with your eyes. You hear with your ears. You smell with your nose. You taste with your tongue. And you feel with your skin.